How to get glowing skin naturally at home with honey. Everyone wants clear, shiny skin. However, we do not get the required results due to factors such as acne, blackheads, wrinkles, contamination, and dirt. But with honey, you can beat the fighters of your skin. The only facial therapy from which you can see the result from the first use is a honey facial mask. Learn here how to glowing skin apply honey to your face for radiant skin. 1. Honey and banana. Banana contains vitamin A, C, E, amino acids, B vitamins as well as potassium. Potassium helps to heal dry and dehydrated skin, moisturizes the skin and also make it soft and supple. Banana helps in exfoliating the skin and then gets rid of excess oil, impurities and dead skin cells build up which often make our skin look dull. Vitamin C in banana helps in brightening the skin as well as preventing excess oil buildup on the skin. How to use banana and honey. Mash half of a banana and add half tsp of honey, some yogurt as well as few drops of rose water. Combine all the ingredients nicely and then apply this face mask on the face. Allow it to sit on the skin for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. Repeat twice or thrice in a week for best results. 2. Honey and olive oil. Olive oil is a great moisturizer for our skin. It comes with antioxidant properties, which protects the skin from free radical damages. Regular application of olive oil makes skin healthy as well as glowing. Egg yolk in this face mask helps in locking moisture in the skin. It makes our skin soft and supple. The nutrients present in egg yolk help in hydrating, nourishing as well as moisturizing dull and dry skin. How to prepare face mask using olive oil and honey. Take a tablespoon of olive oil and add a tsp of honey as well as 1 egg yolk there. Mix well and apply the resulted mixture on the face. Let it sit on the skin for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off with cold water. Repeat twice in a week. 3. Aloe vera and honey. Aloe vera is an excellent moisturizer for all skin types. It also offers hydrating benefits for our skin. Along with these, the skin nourishing as well as healing properties of aloe vera give you a glowing face. It also has antibacterial properties that kill the acne-causing bacteria. The anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera help to soothe damaged skin. Turmeric is a traditional remedy to get glowing as well as flawless skin. It contains curcumin, which is a powerful antioxidant, and it works wonders for our skin. How to use aloe vera and honey for glowing skin. Take a tablespoon of aloe vera gel and add a tsp each of honey and milk as well as a pinch of turmeric to it. Mix everything together and prepare a smooth paste. Apply it all over face and neck. Allow it to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. Repeat twice in a week. 4. Honey and nutmeg powder face pack. This is a great face pack for combating acne. Nutmeg powder has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which make it one of the best natural ingredients to fight off acne. It can reduce the inflammation as well as redness that come with acne. This combination of honey and nutmeg powder help in preventing breakouts and also keep the skin healthy and glowing. How to use nutmeg powder and honey. Take 2 tablespoons honey and add a pinch of nutmeg powder to that. Mix together and make a paste. Apply it on the clean face and keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off with plain water. Repeat 2 to 3 times in a week. 5. Use raw milk and honey for glowing skin. Milk comes loaded with vitamins, minerals and proteins, which nourish the skin, repair damage and also add a healthy glow to the skin. Milk also is a great moisturizing agent and its lactic acid content help to get rid of dead skin cells. Also, milk acts as a great natural cleanser and removes every trace of dirt and impurities from the skin and reveals a glowing complexion. How to use honey and raw milk. Take equal quantity of raw milk as well as honey in a bowl. Mix them well and apply it all over the face and neck. Allow it to sit on the skin for 15 to 20 minutes and wash off with fresh water. Repeat every alternate day. This is one of the easiest yet very effective remedy with honey for glowing skin. 6. Honey and almond remedy. Almond is rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is very beneficial for our skin. It helps in removing all kinds of skin discoloration and pigmentation and also help to achieve glowing complexion. Vitamin E also has antioxidant benefits, which fight off the free radicals as well as protect the skin from various damages including dullness. How to use almond and honey for glowing skin. Take a tablespoon of grounded almond and add that to 2 tablespoons of raw, organic honey. It will be better to use a slightly coarse almond powder. Add a few drops of lemon juice and mix all the ingredients nicely. Wash your face with a mild cleanser and then apply this paste on the skin. Gently scrub in circular motion for couple of minutes and wait for next 4 to 5 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water, followed by few splashes of cold water. Repeat once or twice in a week.